Welcome to OneMinuteSchool.com, my fellow learners, my fellow entrepreneurs, my fellow businessmen. I want you to get years of experience, knowledge, education, and strategies in 1 minute. OneMinuteSchool.com aspires to deliver knowledge and educate our viewers and listeners in the shortest amount of time possible. We create 1 minute educational videos and a much longer podcast to deliver and spark the interest of learning new things, mainly focused on business and entrepreneurship. We will be the gateway for our viewers, our listeners, our pupils, our scholars, our learners to acquire new skill and gain more knowledge. 1 Minute School founder Al Sid came up with the idea a decade ago based on research about human attention span declining fast. Our goal is to deliver pure knowledge, education, strategies, and information in 1 minute or less. We want to spark your interest in learning more, as simple as that. Then we will guide you towards more content related to the topics that fascinate you the most. Hello, my apprentices, my learners, my pupils. I'm Al Sid, founder of OneMinuteSchool.com. I came up with the idea a decade ago based on research about human attention span declining fast. I thought it would be interesting to make 1 minute or less educational videos. More recently, research has revealed that human beings are indeed competing with the goldfish in terms of being able to focus on a task or an object. The average human attention span is about 8.25 seconds, according to the recent studies, versus average goldfish attention span, which is at 9 seconds. So in order to rise from the ashes of ignorance and lack of knowledge, I welcome you all to OneMinuteSchool.com, where we have taken upon our shoulders to carry the burden of educating the human race. Although we have to deal with attention span deficit, we will ensure to deliver compelling videos and knowledge to keep our viewers engaged.